Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, so over here we're going to have the lowering of the vapor pressure of methyl alcohol, methanol, at 30 degrees Celsius, and we want to know how many grams of the solute glycerol must be added to 100 grams of methyl alcohol to obtain a solution with a vapor pressure of 140 torr. So, first of all, remember that the vapor pressure is going to be equal to the mole fraction of the substance, in this case of methanol, times the vapor pressure of the pure substance. So, in order to get the mole fraction of OH that needs to be present on the sample, this would be equal to P divided by the P0. So we want a value of 140 torr. The normal value would be 160, so the mole fraction required is going to be equal to 0.875. Now, the amount of mole of CH3OH that we'll have in solution is going to be related to the 100 grams that we're going to have. In this case, methanol is going to have a molecular weight of 32 grams per mole. So, divided by this value, 100 over 32 would be the amount of mole that we're going to get, which is 3.125 mole of methanol. The mole fraction is going to be equal to the amount of mole of methanol divided by the total amount of mole. Thus, the total amount of mole would be equal to 0. Would be equal to the amount of mole of methanol divided by the mole fraction. Thus, 3.125 divided by 0.875, which gives us a total amount of 3.57143 mole. Finally, since this is going to be the total amount and this is equal to the amount of mole of methanol plus the amount of mole of glycerol, I'm going to label this as glycerol, that means that the amount of mole of glycerol would be equal to the result that we just got minus the 3.125 moles that we had of ethanol. So we're going to get 0.44643 mole of glycerol. And finally, to get the grams of glycerol, the molecular weight for this compound is going to be equal to 92 grams per mole. So mass of glycerol is going to be equal to 0.44643 mole multiplied by the molecular weight, which is 92 grams per mole. Whoops. 92 grams per each mole, which gives us, up to 4 significant digits, 41.07 grams. And with that, it would be all. You can round this up as 41.1 grams if you want your result up to 3 significant digits.